Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to share with you my amazing hairspray cannon. Check this out. So all I'm using in this demonstration is my cannon and a little bit of hairspray and this glass stir rod to stuff this shirt down the barrel that says "Great Teachers Change Lives." I hope you believe that. I'm just gonna wad it up and I'm gonna put it down the barrel of my hairspray cannon and I'm gonna stuff it with this glass rod. The next step is I'm gonna unscrew the end that has this igniter switch on it. And this is gonna serve as the combustion chamber. And I'm gonna spray some hairspray inside there. And when that hairspray combusts, hairspray is mostly ethanol, when that combusts, the thermal expansion is gonna force that shirt out the other end. Okay, so here's the hairspray. Just spraying it in there. I'm gonna quickly screw the end on with that igniter switch. And then we're going to combust all of that hairspray inside. Okay, here we go in 3, 2, 1. Oh, it shot across the room. So let's talk about how the hairspray cannon works. Hairspray is mostly ethanol, and when ethanol combusts, it mixes with oxygen in a combustion reaction. So if you look at your reactant, C2H5OH, that's ethanol, and O2 is oxygen. When those reactants come together in a combustion reaction, they create CO2, that's carbon dioxide, and water vapor, H2O, and a lot of heat in this awesome cannon demonstration. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.